You've probably noticed that many of our area schools are advertising open houses and visit days this time of the year. Well, it's admission season in the school world. That means parents are thinking ahead to next August when summer vacations end and students head back to school. There are many reasons families may be considering a change in schools for the upcoming year. Maybe you have a move planned to a new town, or your child is aging out of his or her current school. Or maybe you feel like you're looking for something a little different from your school community. Regardless, we want to provide you with some tips, or the ABCs as we like to say in education, for finding the school community that is the right fit for your family. Over the next few weeks, you'll hear from myself and Stratford experts Lori Palmer and Kathy Larson about advice we give to families as they navigate the process of school choice. Our first piece of advice is this: it's never too early to start. Make sure to visit a few open houses and then make sure to come to Stratford. Stratford's open house is Sunday, February 6th from 2 to 4 p.m. and we would love to have you join us. You will meet our teachers, our coaches, and students, see our classrooms busy with activity, and get a feel for student life at Stratford Academy. We hope to see you then. And if you want to check out our previous Eagle Extra segments, visit the About Us tab at stratford.org and select Eagle Extra.